Mushi Mushi, Anone, now being loaded, set. Racing Jazz is started. We have Whispering Hope. Break quick, let us start. Gun getting in second. Both Ties and Charms comes next. Then followed by Directors Let Go. Director Signature Race running by the rail. Then next on line is Corregidor Island Headers, while Mushi Mushi Anone is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Whispering Hope rushing up down on the inside. In between horses now is Directors Let Go. Then on the outside is Gangadin. Then next online now is Botais and Charm. Director's Signature, Corregidor Island. Alongside comes Mushi Mushi Anone, while Headers now racing in less. Another turn, we have Whispering Hope. Gangadin now moving upon the outside. Directors Let Go in between horses. Both Eyes and Charm now moving upon the outside to take second. And Diana entering the home stretch with Gangadin, Morling and Ihab, Both Eyes and Charms now moving upon the outside. Last 100 meters, we have Gangadin by about 2 lengths over Both Ties and Charms, Corregidor Island, and finally it's Gangadin. Second is Both Ties and Charms, Corregidor Island, then comes Headers.
Top choice, number 5, Gangadin, crossing the Warpers, ridden by John Alvin Guse, then Masi Segundo. Numero 6, Both Ties and Charms, then Corregidor Island, 4 headers para sa inyong quartet. Panoorin natin replay nitong race number 4.